today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is an urgent update for everyone who is holding Bitcoin or crypto right now. Yes, I am having my long position still open. People were calling me crazy for that. I want to talk about price targets right now, how we can understand and evaluate the current movements for Bitcoin and for crypto, and where we are going right now in the immediate short term. I want to talk about price targets and one specific thing no one is looking at right now. Let's go straight into it. Dear ladies and gentlemen, crazy stuff I have to share with you. And I wanted to tell you also, big thanks to you, because despite this horrible market, we are still one of the, on some days, the most watched Bitcoin channel on whole YouTube. And that is because of you. That is because of your likes, your support, your comment, your view retention, just everything. Thank you so much for that. Let's talk about Bitcoin. And guys, I can tell you one thing. Bitcoin has been making some moves throughout the last few days. This is the 4-hourly candles. And what I was telling you before I go into my price targets, before I go into my trades, and a very important message and warning to everyone, I want to talk about this. This is an upward sloping channel, and I was telling you, guys, do not celebrate before we are not breaking it. I said it somewhere around here on Twitter. What you can see is, yes, we got the resistance exactly where I mentioned it. But does that mean we are going to the downside? Well, zooming out, it kind of looks like it, right? Because, I mean, don't get me wrong, I have $40 million in open long positions. What I want to tell you is, technically, this is a bear flag, right? We are moving to the downside, and we are upwards tilting here within that channel. However, we are not playing the guessing game. The moment Bitcoin breaks this upward sloping resistance, we are bullish regardless. The moment we break this to the upside, it is bullish. If we are getting resistance here once again, we can expect a correction to the downside, at least to the upward sloping support. And yes, I am still having all of my long positions open. I showed you already beforehand. Let me quickly go into it here. What you can see right here, yes, the Bitcoin trade still open, $6.5 million in a profit. The Solana trade still open at a new high, almost $1 million in a profit. The short-term Bitcoin trade, $320,000 in a profit. The short-term Ethereum trade, $180,000 in a profit. The long-term Ethereum trade, $110 Ethereum in a profit. And this Ethereum big mistake is like $70,000 in a profit. So overall, we are talking about $8 million in accumulated profits on this long and short positions for Bitcoin. It is important to note, we need to wait. The moment we break 90,000 to the upside, we are bullish. The moment we break 84,000, 85,000 to the downside, we flip bearish. It is easy as that. On the grand scheme of things, I wanted to show you on the monthly candles for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has never topped out without hitting an RSI somewhere close to 95. We have not been overbought on the monthly RSI yet. In fact, we are far from it. Which leads us once more, furthermore, to the conclusion, to the question, is this bull market actually over? Can a bull market be over without us being severely overbought on the monthly candles? The answer is yes. Is it likely, however? It's not very likely. That is all I wanted to say. If you want to be trading as well as I am trading over on Bybit, whether you want to trade on Bybit where I have $30,000 bonus, on Bitunix where you can trade from wherever you are, or on Levex where I am posting every now and then, seldom but every now and then, exclusive content for you. Links down below in the pinned comment in the video description, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.